Hello there. In this video, we will learn how to create a new sessions in Airmeet. Let's get started. While you are inside the event dashboard, click on schedule, and under the sessions section, you can select a time zone or click on add an activity to add a new session. Now from here, select the type of session that you want to add. I will select a simple session. Now from here, I can give my session a name. I can select the session date by clicking on this calendar icon and selecting the date, and start time of the session by clicking on this clock icon and selecting the time. Now you can also set up the duration of the session, how long this session is gonna be. So right now it is 30, let us make it 60. Now coming on to the host section, you can see who is the host of this session. The person who is creating this session will be the host of this session and will remain so in the meetup type of events. But in the conference type of event, you can simply click on it, change the host of this session. Any team member who is inside the community can be your session host. You can simply select the person that you want to add as a host and click on done, and that person will be the host of this session. Now if you want to hide the host from the attendees, if you do not want to show your host, then you can click on hide host from the attendees and the host will be hidden from the event agenda. Or if you want to show the host, then you can click on show host to attendees. Now you can also add speakers for your session. You can add up to 50 speakers. Simply click on here, and if you have already added speaker on your dashboard, then those speakers will show up here. But if you do not have any speakers added, then you can add a new speaker from here itself. Click on add new speaker, add in the basic speaker details. Now if you want to add more details about the speaker, simply click on add more details, and from here you can add more details about the speaker, including the photo of the speaker. Now once you are done with the addition of the information, click on save, and your speaker is successfully added. You can add more speaker from here itself by clicking on add new speaker, or select the current speaker and add it to your session. Now you can also add co-host for your session. Simply click on it and select two of your team members to be the co-host for your session. Once done, click on done, and there you have two co-hosts for your session. Now you can also add tags for your session. Depending on the type of sessions that you are having, you can type in your tag keyword and hit enter or written on your keyboard. You can add up to 100 tags. Now you can also add a session description, whatever description you want to add for your session. And if you want to add session resources, any resources that you want to add for your session, then you can click on add resources. And if you have not added any resources and it doesn't show here, no problem. You can always add a link of the resource out here or upload the resource from your computer. In Airmeet, you can also add a live language translation. To do that, you can simply click on fill this form out here, and this form will open up for you. Here you can plug in your details, whichever language that you want to buy from the Interprefy for the live language translation, and submit it. Once you buy the Interprefy token, you will be able to add that Interprefy token out here, and you will be able to have live session, live translation. You can also control who can join your session. If you want to allow access to only particular people to your session, then you can click on allow access, and from here you can choose the list of people that you want to allow, and the attendees who have registered, their name will show up here. Since we are creating a session for a new event that has not yet opened or started, we do not have any attendee out here. Once you start your event and you have registration, you will be able to see the registrant details out here, and from there you can choose the list of people who can join your session. Also a note here, the host, co-host, speaker for this session will be allowed automatically and you do not have to give them an access. Now coming on to the restrict access, you can also restrict certain people from entering your session. Click on it and select the list of people that you want to restrict to your session. Once you are done with your settings, simply click on save and your session is successfully created. Well, that was easy, right? Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.